Hi everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Paw Helicopter. And yeah, we have the Paw Helicopter here. And yeah, so we're going to be playing with the Paw Helicopter as a toy review. And yeah, so let's go ahead. So basically, if you don't know, it's in the Paw Patrol. They fly around and then do aircraft thing. And this is how they go on air. So let's go ahead and let's get a few of our Paw Patrol. Go check out our Paw Patrol video. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's get a few of our Paw Patrollers right here. I mean Paw Patrol. Alright, so move the camera back. Okay, so right here we have Chase. So if I don't see their name, you can definitely go check out our Paw Patrol video so you know all their names and everything and what they do. So let's go ahead and if this opens, then you just kind of put them in there. Right there. I mean, let's sit them out though. It's hard. We also have Zuma. Let's go ahead and put him in. Boom, he's in. And we also have Marshall right there. Let's go ahead and let's put him in. Alright, we got them all in. And now we need a helicopter. The helicopter pilot. Or the airplane pilot. So let's let it be. Let's do Rocky. So we'll put Rocky in right here. I don't know how I'm going to open this. There we go. And now he's the helicopter pilot. So right here, let's take off in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Let's just go. And we're back. Alright, so yeah, so let's go ahead. Let's do the review. So basically, you can, open up this and you go put in a Paw Patrol, I guess any kind of Paw Patrol pilot right there, which, basically, you can, push it around and make it fly in the air. And there's a little button right there that does go ahead and activate this. Which is really cool. And there's also a little thing back here that you can open, and basically has the Paw Patrol. You can put Paw Patrol inside and take them to places, and it's also a good place for storing things. So let's go ahead and take them all out. I think they're gonna go back to the little castle. Not castle, lookout. I'm not saying. And I'm gonna open up this one. So yes, and you can actually move the propellers just like that, which is really, really cool. And yeah, so then, yeah, that's today's toy review. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to be part of the fun. And yeah, bye.